Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Matthew chapter 5 verses 9. This peppered stewed turkey wings is going to be one of your favorite, if not your very favorite, especially if you are a spicy lover. It is so easy to make. You can have this done under 25 minutes. It's just so easy, quick, and just so good. It's one of the turkey wings you've never ever tried. It's going to stay in your mind forever. It's just outstanding. Please, family, I want to welcome you back to the Lovystouch food channel. Let's get real quick into this one. Let's get started. I have about 1.5 kilos of turkey wings which have been cleaned and washed nicely. I also have here some paprika powder, some chicken seasoning, and I also have some pepper powder, a bit of curry powder, salt, a little bit of oil, and I have some vegetables here. I'm using some minced bell peppers, 1 tomatoes, I have some habanero peppers, onions, I use the white and the red ones, garlic, ginger, and that is all, family. I've listed each and every ingredient below in the description box with its right quantity. So I like to begin by crushing my garlic, ginger, and the habanero pepper, which I'm also going to squeeze half size lemon juice, and I'm also going to add all my powdered seasoning that I mentioned earlier on. And that is all. You go ahead now to add everything and make sure it's well incorporated. You can also notice I did not add any salt, and that is because the seasoning that I use is so salty. And you can always double check on yours after you've mixed everything up. Please taste it. If you feel like you need salt, then add it. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and pour it over the turkey wings, mix it and massage it very well, making sure each and every corner of this turkey wings has this beautiful marinade. If you have time on your side or you plan ahead, you can make this a night before so that this will rest in the fridge overnight, which will even make the seasoning enter the turkey wings very well. But I just went ahead to oven bake mine for about 20 minutes at 160 degrees right away because I had no time to lose. I also went ahead to sprinkle a little bit of oil just to make that crispy feeling. Okay, it's going in for 20 minutes and we should be done with this at 160 degrees. So now let's prep the vegetables. We have all the colorful bell peppers here representing. I also have some Anaheim peppers, some tomato, habanero pepper, onions, and some ginger as well. I am going to use my food processor to roughly chop this. You can chop them by yourself with a knife or use your grinder to grind them roughly. Okay, all works. You're done chopping all the vegetables. Let's go ahead and put everything together. So in my pot, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to begin with my chopped tomatoes and add about a tablespoon of the curry powder. I want the base to be very flavorful, and among all the vegetables is this tomatoes that needs a little bit of cooking before we add the rest of it. We are going to saute this for about 2 minutes. Now we're introducing all our roughly chopped vegetables. The aroma in this kitchen right now is out of this world. Ooh, all the powerful habanero peppers, the ginger is just so good. I'm now introducing a little bit of seasoning. Use your vegetable seasoning, a bit of salt, and allow this to simmer through for about 3 minutes. Cover it, okay? Just let all the ingredients in here intensify their flavors. And now it's time to check on our turkeys. They've been baked very well. They're so good. I tell you, fam, having this turkey on its own is something else. To think we are about to also add it back to this sauteed veggies. So good, just so good. Somebody hold me right now. The flavors were so intense, just super spicy, just so enjoyable. You need to really try this. And the juices that came out from baking the turkey, we're going to add it right back to this. I don't need to talk more. You can even feel this, right? It was juicy, flavor packed. Every ingredient in here was just doing the job. It was so good. Tell you, fam, this is absolutely quick and easy, delectable, delicious, sumptuous. Something that you could whip in just few minutes, fam. Decorate it or garnish it with a bit of fresh onions and you will love it. If you have some spring onions, go ahead and chop some and garnish it. Cover it and allow it to simmer through for about a minute and you'll be good to go. You can have it with some fried yams as well, but a hubby loved it with some kenkey this time. I think it's also a healthier option, if I can say that. So delicious and very easy to make, right? It's just so good. It's also party friendly. If you make this at your parties, everybody is going to go extra wild. It is so delicious. Now we are plating it with our kenkey, and I also had it with some rice. Oh, both were excellent pair. I'm not a fan of turkey wings. This is going to be the recipe that is going to absolutely make you fall in love with your turkey wings. It's so delicious, very quick, and just so good. It pairs so well with rice as well. You can also decide to have it on its own. Why not? So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. I really appreciate you and I really hope you are going to give it a try. And as usual, my goal is for you to learn a thing or two. And if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come aboard, subscribe to join this family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.